Hi guys, this is Dimply and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be on the products which I picked up from Kerala. I am still in Kerala, I'm in Munnar now. So I thought why not to shoot and tell you guys what I have picked up. So I went to this place called Spice Root. Okay, it is a product catalog which they have given me. Okay, it's called Spice Root and you have all the Ayurvedic products out over there. And I thought why not to give it a try because I love using Ayurvedic stuff. So I picked up few stuff from there and I thought why not to share it with you guys and see, you should go and pick it up if ever you come to, Kerala side. So this is basically in Thekkady where I was staying. So on the way to Munnar, this place called Spice Root and but this is in Thekkady. So yes, if you guys want more details on this, I would leave the address, the number if you want to pick up any stuff from there. So yes, this is the catalog what they have given, different products they have in this, and yes, it's a worth a buy. So the first product is sweet tulsi. Yes, it's basically a stevia tea cut natural sweetener. So if you want to have tea and you don't want sugar, if you are on a diet where you want to reduce weight and you don't want to intake sugar, go for the sweet tulsi. Too good not the word. The smell is amazing and I eat like that only. We'll get the pure sweet taste. So basically it's a sweet tulsi and a lot of people have it in their teas, in their coffees. Even if they want to have it plain, they eat plain. It's really good. It's very strong. It gives a sweet taste. So a lot of people have the sugar free, you get the sugar free to have, or you have honey or good, but you should try the sweet tulsi. It is really good. And well, all the products list and the pricing I will definitely put it down, but this costs 310 rupees. See, it's a little bit expensive when it comes to all the products out over there. It's pure Ayurveda stuff, but yes, it's a worth a buy. Okay, the next product what I picked up was a tulsi soap. You get it in the pack of 4 like this. So I told you tulsi is a medicine. It's very good for your skin, it's very good for your hair, it's very good for your diet. So this cost of 4 soaps is 320 rupees. Okay, so it comes like this. The smell is like amazing. Imagine there's no chemical at all in any of these products and it's really good for your skin. Must buy. Well, I have used one of the soaps already because I picked up 2 packs. So I've used one of the soap. So this is the other one. It's really good. Very nice. Okay guys, so the next product is called Anutelam. This is the product. So if you have any kind of sinus issues, this is really good. It's basically a nose drop. Let me show you how it is from inside. Yeah, so this is how it is. It's a nose drop. You have to put it on your nose. So this is for people who have sinus issues. Okay, very good product. The costing of it is 250 rupees. Very nice. So yes, it's called Anutelam. It's a really nice product. So the next product is called Tulsi Indra. This is the product. I'll tell you one thing about this product. This is actually very good. If you have migraine issues, headache, and if you constantly take tablets, like I keep taking Ceridons and I keep taking tablets for my migraine. If you have such kind of issues, you should go and pick this up. It's too good. So it's like a telam. You have to apply it on your head, okay, wherever you have pain, and just sleep. The next few minutes the pain is vanished. So instead of taking tablets, you should go for this. So as you know, tulsi is really good even for any kind of medicines. It's very good even for headache. So it's called Tulsi Indra. This is how it is, and it's like a roll-on, and you have to apply it on your head whenever you have a headache, and in 15-20 minutes it's thing. So when I bought this, I wanted to try this very badly, okay, but luckily, I don't know what, this trip I never had headache. As I bought this, the next day my head started paining. I said okay, let me just apply this on my head and see. No doubt, I didn't take medicine at all. So there was no medicines at all. I didn't take even a single tablet. I just applied this and I slept. In few minutes when I got up, I found the difference. As in my headache is so less and I'm feeling so light and nice, feeling so calm. So yes, this is really good. It's called Tulsi Indra. Must buy if you are having migraine or headache issue. Okay, the next product is aloe hylo gel. So it's a red aloe vera gel. So it's a form in red base and it has blacklead extract in it. The best part is this is very good for skin and it's very good for under eye circles. So if you're having under eye dark circles, must buy product. So it's called aloe hylo gel and the costing of this is 730 rupees. It's expensive. I told you it is expensive, but it is worth the buy because it's effective. Okay, the next product is Kumkumadi Telam. This is the product. Okay, now this is very good for skin. It's very good for your under eye dark circle. It makes your skin flawless. It's an anti-aging serum and it is amazing, not the word. So let me just take this off to show you guys. So it comes in a watery gel form and then you have to rub it in your face. If you use it in the full body, guys, it's very expensive. And the smell is too good, not the word, too good. You will get pure Ayurveda smell. It has all the Ayurveda in this. Okay, it's called Kumkumadi Tailam. And the costing of this is 1170 rupees. Yeah, the small bottle is 1170 rupees, but it's very good for anti-aging, it's very good for dark circles, it's very good for pigmentation, it's very good for acne issues. It's very good product for basically your skin. So this is pure natural. So if you're a person who is going for this Botox treatment, use this. Very good. So it's a must buy product. Okay, this is one of the expensive products I picked up. So this is rosemary hair care herbal oil. So it's an advanced formula. So definitely it has pure rosemary in this. Okay. The costing of it is 1980 rupees. Yeah, this oil cost 1980 rupees. But the best part about this is it's pure herbal and it's very effective for your hair. So if you have ganjapan, if you're having dandruff issues, go for this. If you're having hair breakage, go for this. For smoothing your hair, go for this oil. This is actually very good. If you have dry damage hair, if you have gray hair, it controls on this. It controls on hair falls and it produces new hair growth. So yes, it's a rosemary hair oil and there are a lot of rosemary hair oils, you get it in the market, okay, but this is special because it's pure rosemary which they make, okay, which they added in the oil and this is very effective. I've heard a lot about this product, that's the reason I went and picked this up. And yes, it's worth a buy. So if you are suffering from hair problems and hair issues, go for this. I'm sure you will definitely go for the second product of this. It's really good. Okay, this I would not recommend everybody, but yes, I like to try different things, so I went for it. So it's called the fat tablets. So these are a capsule for weight loss. Well, I did not know should I pick this up or not. I was little hesitant on this, but you know what, I wanted to try something and think, is this actually works? So if it works, I will definitely do a review on it to go and buy it. It's pure herbal, okay, there's no chemical into it. It's pure herbal, it's pure Ayurveda stuff. So yes, it's called the fat tablet and it is expensive, no doubt. It's the costing of it is 1750 rupees. So yes, it is expensive, no doubt, and the ingredients also are given what all they have in it. It's all herbal and it has 120 tablets. So when I spoke to the shopkeeper and the person who was telling about all the herbs and all that, who introduced us to different kind of herbs out over there, he told me that this is very effective. And if you are stuck in a weight and you're not able to lose that weight, you can go in for this. You will lose a lot of weight having this tablet. So I said, okay, let me give it a try. I have not yet opened it. It's still sealed. So when I open it and when I'm going to try it, definitely I'll do a review on it to buy it or not to buy it. Okay. So yes, so it's called the fat tablet. These are the products which I picked up from Kerala, Thekkady, and it's all Ayurvedic products. So if you guys want to buy it, I will list down the contact number and the address where you can pick it up. Okay, and for more details, I'll put down the details in the description box. And if you get this similar products in Amazon or any kind of place like that, you can pick it up from there also. So yes, if you like my video, do give it a big fat thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.